Paharganj on its agenda. It's a popular neighborhood in central Delhi and also a hipster's paradise. Now Paharganj is really popular amongst all the backpackers from across the globe because in 1970 it was included as part of the hippie trail, and since then all the backpackers, when they come to New Delhi, they make it a point to stay here. So Paharganj has been tagged as the backpackers ghetto, and to call it busy will be an understatement because vehicles, cars, shops, everybody here is fighting for space. I know I'm acting very typical of a tourist, but what is some shopping without any street shopping? So when I was talking about how Paharganj is the pulse of Delhi, this is what I meant, that you also find lots of cultures hidden in small shops like these. These are called Mehndi blocks, which is very popular to the culture of India. Paharganj is a treasure trove for shopping. So when it comes to junk jewelry or clothes or leather bags, this is the place to be if you want it for dirt cheap. And it's so cheap that you can't even imagine. Let's find out. You can actually deck up your entire wardrobe. And I'm going to get this one for sure. These earrings are for 20 rupees and I'm going to get one of these. So let's get all of these together. Alright, so next on my agenda to shop is a nice leather bag, and I'm headed to one of the shops. Okay, so I found this really nice, good leather quality bag for 500, and this is the size which is manageable, so I'm gonna get this one. I'm heading to Sam's Cafe. It's a rooftop cafe here in Paharganj. It's really popular amongst all the youngsters who come here. Now, so the best part about Sam's Cafe is that it's a huge rooftop place and it's got a very good terrace. It's open, sunny, especially in the winters. You must come here, grab a cup of coffee, grab some food after you're done with your shopping spree. And that's exactly what I'm going to do now. I got myself some cold coffee and I'm going to indulge in some good food, rejuvenate, and then head out again to the market. Right now I'm on my way to one of the really popular hostels near Paharganj called Dostal. 40 meters. Found it!
का प्राइस हमारा है 550 to 600 for 8 bed और जो 6 bed है उसका 650.
Let's check out some of the rooms here. There are 4 kinds of rooms. There's a dorm where you can get a bed for yourself. There are private rooms amongst which you have standard, deluxe and designer. So let's check it out. We are checking out deluxe room now. Wow, not bad. This is the deluxe room. As you can see, there's a nice double bed. There is a space for seating area. There's also a bathroom inside. I have to say that it's really neat and clean, hygiene standards perfect, and this will cost you for one night from about 1500 to 1800. Not bad at all. I like how it's so vibrant and so colorful, imagining the kind of crowd that is out there outside. Well, this is their designer room. The bathroom is really spacious. Apparently, the rooftop is really interesting here. There is a nice space here where people can have dinner. The best part about this hostel is that you have a lot of places to chill at. There are 5 floors. You can come on the terrace, you can go on the ground floor for some recreational activities. So you will not get bored even if you're here for about a couple of days. Ow! Nice neat room for one person. And what is the price range like for one night?
Like 1,000 for a room and 500 for a dorm.
450 for a night at your 8 dorm bed. Now the best part about this hostel though is that it's situated situated right at the entrance of the market, so you don't have to go through inside the really crooked lanes of Paharganj. You can stay outside and have access to the metro station and the market. So I've sat in this small tuk-tuk rickshaw because my legs gave up after walking across the crowded alleys of Paharganj. Not a bad idea. Will be a bumpy ride, but nevertheless you have your space and you can enjoy the bustling market. So as you can see, this place is not just about shopping, cafes, it's also about culture, and the culture that comes from everywhere. And this is where the pulse of Delhi exists. So if you're here, do come here once to get a slice of what old Delhi is like. It's in these small narrow alleys which are so unassuming that you'll actually find good hostels to stay in. And I'm going to check out one of these hostels called Smile Inn, which is supposed to be decent when it comes to accommodation and pricing. Okay, so I have finally made my way into Smile Inn. It is supposed to be a really nice, cozy, neat hostel, and it does look like one. Alright, so I'm looking for one private room or a dorm bed for myself, depending on what is cheaper and what is neat.
We offer you all female dorm bed at $590 a night. That would include breakfast and Wi-Fi. It's an air-con dorm and a very neat dorm.
Okay, so I've inquired about all the information. I'm going to go for one dorm bed in a females only dorm for $590 a night, which also includes breakfast. Hello, that's my room. Not bad for Paharganj, not bad for all that crowd and all that atrocity I've faced on the lanes of Paharganj. And finally it's time for some comfort. Whoa, totally worth it for $590 a night. Alright, now we're heading to the Club India Cafe. It has a little secret which I'm going to tell you once we get inside. So this is the Club India Cafe I was talking about, and the little secret is that this is where the movie Dev D was shot, one of the scenes from the movie, and this is where actually Abhay Deol had come down to drink. There's a picture of that too. For some reason the cafe is so popular, not just the movie, there are many other celebrities who keep visiting this cafe secretly. So you might just bump into some one of the days you come here. The best time to come here is usually during the evenings when you want to grab a pint of beer and there's a view of the market. It's bustling down there with nice trippy lights. So you can come here, grab a bottle of beer after your shopping and just relax. Okay, so here is the Club India Cafe, which has gained popularity amongst a lot of people and especially celebrities from India and across the world. I'm still guessing what's so special about this cafe though. And now I'm going to head to another cafe which is apparently open for 24/7 in Paharganj. Now I'm excited, let's check it out. Excited to check it out because ऐसा बहुत कम होता है कि दिल्ली में 24 घंटे कोई कैफे खुला हो, and you find that in Paharganj out of all the places. Well, it's evening time and I have found myself the best spot in Paharganj market. It's called the Kitchen Cafe, which is open 24/7, and they've done it up also in a way that you can spend hours here without worrying about anything. There's a comfortable nook for your bunch of friends. There is a pool table over there. There's an outside area. There's nice lighting. Not even a bad idea for a date if you don't want to burn a hole in your pocket. Well, it's 6 o'clock in the evening and I don't plan to go here until probably 4 in the morning, especially because it's open and it's so comfortable. They have taken care of everything, your food, your ambience, and for some entertainment at the pool table also. Alright, I'm done with the reading. I have had a gala of a time here and now it's time to head back to my hostel. So mark the calendar for a day in Paharganj now.